Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a user account in Windows 10, 11 without an email address. So the first thing what you are going to do, go to the Start menu and go to Settings. When this window pop-ups, just go to Accounts. And then from this window, go to Family and Other Users. And then you have to go to Other Users option from this one. Add someone else to this PC option. It will take some time. And it requests your email address. Just ignore that and go to I don't have this person's sign in information option. Then here also the same thing, it requests you create account. Then you have to go for add user without email address option. Then here you can give the name of the user account, and you have to provide your password. So it requests you these security questions. You have to fill. You have to choose the questions and you have to provide your answers. It must be 3 questions, otherwise it will not accept it. So you have to choose 3 questions. You have to fill all of them. After filling all of them, you have to choose next. Then after that, it's shown here, the account is created. After that, you can sign in to this account. So what you are going to do, just you can go again to the Start menu and you can choose this account. Then choose Adam, which is the new one. Then automatically this window will pop up. You have to provide your password and sign in. This window will pop up. This may take several minutes. It will configure the new user account, so it will take some time. Finally prepare the new user account. Then finally choose privacy setting. You have to accept it, and this is a new user account. This is the new user account. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.